Another common problem you can have in squats is that you weight shift into the forefoot. So I'll go ahead and demo this quick. If you look at my feet here, when I go down into a squat, this is the problem, is that I start to really weight shift into the forefoot, and you can see that my heels come off of the ground. This is really a problem in people who are just starting to squat. So let's talk about the fix. For the fix, I'm gonna have you do some butt taps on a chair. So we're gonna be in this squat position. Then what we're gonna do is we're really gonna focus on pushing our hip back and just tapping our butt on the chair. So we're gonna go ahead and keep our weight in our heels. I can even bring my toes off the ground because I don't have an issue with this. You might not be able to do that if this is one of your problems. You wanna come back, just tap, and then come up, push the hips through at the top, okay? So that keeps us from leaning forward, because if we're leaning forward, I can't get my butt on the chair. And the chair is just there so you don't fall backwards. So this is gonna feel foreign to you at first, but keep your weight in the heels, come all the way down, just butt tap, and then up, push through with the hips.